Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English grammar and the topic name is verb. Okay children, what do we mean by verb? A verb is one of the most important part of the sentence. It tells the subject, action, event or state of being. It is always found in the predicate of a sentence. Okay children, in the last class we have learned about to be verbs. Am, is, are, was and were. These are to be verbs. Am, is and are tell about something that is happening in the present. Was and were tell about something that happened in the past. Today, here we are going to learn about has and have. So, when to use has? Has is used for one person, animal or thing. Have is used for more than one person, animal, place or thing. Has is used with he, she, it or singular noun. Have is used with I, you, we, they, plural noun. Has and have are helping verbs which are used when we talk of something happening in the present. Has and have used to show possession, which means to show something belongs to you or someone. Okay children, what are the rules for using has? When to use has? We use has with he, it, she or singular. Okay. And when to use have? We use have with I, you, plural, they, we. Okay. For example, when to use has? We use has with singular, he, she, it. Okay. For example, here she is there. Okay. She dash a pet cat. So what will come here? Yes, she has a pet cat. Okay. So let's see another example. He dash a beautiful house. So according to the rule, we use has with he. So he has a beautiful house. Now the next example, we use has also with it. It dash 4 legs. So it has 4 legs. Ali has a big car. Now let's see some more examples. Ram has a book. The boy has a bone. Mrs. Kapoor has an umbrella. Ravi has a new laptop. Simran has long hair. Now let's see when to use have. Let's see some examples. They have pets. Now with they we always use have. As it is a plural, so we use have. Cats have whisker. Here cats. It is also a plural, so we use have. I have a football. So it is a rule that with I we use have. Cows have 4 legs. Now here also cow is a plural, so we use have. Okay, cows have 4 legs. Birds have wings. Now when we use plural, I, we, you and they, we use have. So here I dash a younger brother. So here it will come I have a younger brother. Now let's see few more examples. Monu dash 3 balloons. So here it will come has. I dash to go to school early today. With I we always use have. So I have to go to school early today. Tina dash 2 pet dogs. Tina has 2 pet dogs. He dash a blue watch. With he we use has. So he has a blue watch. They dash a big house. With they we use have. They have a big house. Ram and Sham dash a chocolate each. Ram and Sham here it is plural, so we will use have. Okay, now let's see few more examples. Filling the blanks with has and have. I dash 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters. The cow has 2 horns. Saf dash a new umbrella. Saf has a new umbrella. We dash great love for our parents. With we use Yes, have. We use have. We have a great love for our parents. Sumit and I have two more matches to play. With I, we always use have. Okay, now let's see another example. Mumbai dash many tourist spots. Mumbai has many tourist spots. The two brothers dash three bullocks and two cows. Here it is a plural, so we use have. The two brothers have three bullocks and two cows. You dash a fine singing voice. With you we use, yes, we use have. You have a very fine singing voice. Okay, children, what we have learned here. Has is used for one person, animal, place or thing. Have is used for more than one person, animal, place or thing. Has and have are helping verbs which are used when we are talking about something happening in the present. Okay. Has with he, she, it singular noun we use has. With I, you, we, they plural noun we use have. So what are the has and have? It shows the position, which means to show something belongs to you or someone. So we use has with he, singular, she, it, and we use have with I, you, plural, they, we. Okay, children? Hope this topic is clear to you all. Okay? Thank you.